Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. We are going to make a 3G net carb cinnamon bagel. Our normal bagel is about 55 carbs. What I love to do with this bagel is cut it in half, put a little bit of cream cheese on it, and then I like to sprinkle like 6 raisins on it to make it taste like a cinnamon raisin bagel, but it's super, super low carb. So I'm gonna show you how to make them right now. Now remember, again, everything here is not just keto friendly, it's gluten free, okay? And it's diabetic friendly. So if you got any health issues, again, this is 3 net carbs, a regular bagel's 55 carbs. This is made with organic coconut flour and flax and a bunch of other super healthy ingredients. They're over there watching, honey. Go look for them. You can get some. It's my son. I'm a mom of 11. My oldest is gonna be 26. And he's, how old are you? 3. Say 3. 3. So here's how we make the bagels, okay guys? 1 quart egg whites. I'm gonna teach you how to make a dozen. It's not worth it to make just one. You might as well make a dozen if you're gonna make them. So you do a quart of egg whites. You do a 32-ounce container of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And then you use 3 cups of my skinny bread mix, okay? That's this mix right here. You can go to Healthy Treats Market online, HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and order a budget bundle or order a bulk mix. So we're gonna put 3 cups in here. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is a bread mix, so you need to make it a little bit sweeter. So what I'm gonna do is add 3/4 of a cup of Sweetie. Sweetie is my sweetener. I make it with erythritol, monk fruit, stevia. It's to die for. There is no sweetener closer tasting to sugar than my sweetener. This is why I can do this for 14 years. All my stuff tastes like the real thing. There's no aftertaste. So we're gonna do about 3/4 of a cup of Sweetie. And then I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of cinnamon in my skinny mix, okay? And that's how you make the bagels, this simple. And then all I'm gonna do is whisk it. And I'm gonna split it into 12 bagel molds, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do that. But it makes the perfect bagel. You're gonna bake it at 350 for about an hour. And it comes out like this, like look how nice and crispy. Even if you want to do it longer than an hour, you can. If you like it more brown, if after an hour it's not brown like this, keep it in longer and make it more brown, okay? When they come out soft. You have to let them sit overnight. Don't put them in the fridge, just leave them out. You let them sit overnight. That's what gives them the texture of a bagel like this, okay? So don't be freaking out when it comes out and go, oh my gosh, it's too soft. It's not too soft. It just needs to sit so it can thicken a little bit. So here we go. Now we're gonna take 3 molds. I get these molds on Amazon, okay? And I like like I said, I like the 4 bagel molds because the 4-1 makes a full mix. Because the more mixes you eat, the more you lose. What, baby? What did you say? The blue one? I'll do the blue one. Next will be the blue one.
I like those.
You like those? I do too. I like you. I would highly recommend the olive oil one. I can't stand this stuff, but I had it, so I'm trying to use it up. Okay, guys, now we're going to do this. And I'm gonna split it up into 12 bagel molds because I want to make sure that when my customers buy it, my customers are buying 1 mix. Okay, 3 cups is 12 servings. So this is how I do it. So if you guys want to do it at home, this is how easy it is, guys. Buy the mixes. I'm telling you, buy the mixes, especially if you're on a budget. Oops, I did not spray this one. I don't think I sprayed that one. I know we have to fix it, honey. Maybe you can fix it for me. Maybe when Mom's done, we can fix it together. Want to? Yeah. I know. Somebody was being bad, huh? Maybe Josh did it? No. Is he bad? Guys, I've had kids in my 20s, 30s, and 40s, and let me tell you something. Having kids in your 40s is like euphoria, because you're like a mom and a grandma all in one, and there ain't nothing in the world like it, I'm telling you. I'm obsessed with my littles. Okay, see, they're not all even, so I'm going to even them up. I'm going to put a hole in each one. I'm going to look at them. This one could definitely use some here, here, here. And the cinnamon ones might be a little bit bigger because I added sweetie to them, so they might be slightly bigger. And there you go, guys. Cinnamon bagels, this is what they look like. You can have blueberries to these. You can do whatever you want. We're going to do a blueberry bagel, though. But this is how easy it is for you guys to eat Healthy Treats Market, huh? Yeah, but not right now. First, we have to cook them, baby. So, guys, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market, okay? We're open Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. If you don't live nearby, you can always visit healthytreatsmarket.com. You can place an order online, and you can eat healthy like this and lose weight all day long without depriving yourself. You don't have to crave a bagel and cream cheese because you can have it. And it tastes exactly like a bagel and cream cheese. Like, it doesn't get closer than this, okay, guys? We love you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for all you guys do. And we'll see you soon. Whoa, somebody likes it.